Hey there and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily move visuals around in Power BI. If you've ever struggled to get your charts and dashboards looking just right or found yourself frustrated when visuals just won't budge, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your reports and arrange everything exactly the way you want. So let's jump right in and start making your dashboards more flexible and visually appealing. First things first, let's open up Power BI. If you're already working on a report, go ahead and open up that file. If not, just have any Power BI project open so we can follow along. Getting to know your workspace is the first step in building a smooth workflow. Alright, now take a look at the visuals on your report page. These could be bar charts, line graphs, maps, or any other element you've added to your canvas. Let's say you see a visual you want to move. Maybe your pie chart is too close to your table, or you want to reorganize your dashboard for easier viewing. Simply click on the visual you want to move. You'll know it's selected because a border will appear around it. Next comes the moving part. Once the visual is selected, move your cursor over the visual, click, hold, and then drag it to the new position. It's as simple as that. You can put your visuals literally anywhere on the canvas. Just imagine you're moving sticky notes around a whiteboard to find the perfect layout. Sometimes it might help to move things little by little until you get the spacing just right. And if you have multiple visuals to arrange, don't be afraid to experiment until you're happy with how it looks. But what if you try to grab a visual and it just won't budge? This is something that happens to a lot of us, and trust me, you're not doing anything wrong. Most likely it's because the objects are currently locked in place. Here, how to fix that. Look up at the top of the Power BI interface and find the View tab. Give that a click and you'll see a little option labeled Lock Objects. If that box is checked, Power BI is basically telling you, nope, these visuals are staying put. All you have to do is uncheck Lock Objects, and then you'll be able to move everything around freely again. If the visuals still aren't moving, double-check that this option is unchecked. Sometimes it just takes a quick toggle. There's one more thing to keep in mind. Some visuals, especially if you have multiple elements stacked or overlapping, can be tricky to grab. In these cases, look for the small three dots, also known as the More Options menu, usually located at the top right corner of each visual. Sometimes you'll need to click near the three dots so you can grab the visual more easily and drag it wherever you need. Think of it as finding the right handle on a suitcase to get a better grip. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to move your visuals around in Power BI, troubleshoot if they're stuck, and use those handy little three dots to make your dashboards look exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas and helping out. And if you want to keep leveling up your Power BI skills, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.